AI will make humanity lazy, and I don't think that's a bad thing. So this is a question that turned up in one of my students' workshops of somebody asking, is AI making us lazy? And I truly believe that it is. However, the term laziness has a counterpart. It's two-faced. There is laziness and there is efficiency. They just have different connotations attached to them. One is positive, efficiency, and the other is negative, laziness. I believe that pretty much all technologies that we have created over our vast history are basically about reducing load, whether it's mental load or physical load. We created technologies to make our lives easier and to increase our efficiency. Because when our lives are made easier by technology, we have more time, which allows us to be more efficient. We can do the same task in less time. It's mainly a question of how we use that additional time. If a task used to take 6 hours and it now takes an hour, what are you going to do with those 5 hours? If you use those 5 hours to slack off and watch Netflix, then yeah, AI is making us lazy. If you use those 5 hours to work on other projects, to build a business, to help a charity, to look after your kids, to tidy the house, whatever it is, then no, AI is making us efficient because we're able to do the same job in less time and then use our time valuably elsewhere. So it becomes a personal rather than a technological choice at this point. Sure, we could become like the humans in WALL-E and use technology to not lift a finger, to be sedentary, to be driven around in little chairs. Or we can use the technology to free up our time to build and create. The technology is not dictating which we do. AI is not telling us which one we should choose. That's up to us and how we use the extra time given to us by artificial intelligence. If you want to use it to be lazy, go for it. If you want to use it to be efficient, go for it. Both are possible with AI.